Welcome to the best picks. The best basement window security bars is probably one of the most important yet overlooked home security upgrades, offering peace of mind and significantly deterring potential intruders. This video will guide you through the process of selecting and installing the right security bars for your basement windows, ensuring both robust protection and ease of access in emergencies. Number 5. Burglabar Sliding Door Locks. It instantly adds security to your patio doors and windows. This unique lock keeps your home safe and is perfect for childproofing. It's easy to install, no tools are required. Its clear design blends seamlessly into your home's aesthetic. It easily adjusts to fit different door sizes. This versatile lock provides security for both sliding doors and windows. It features strong adhesive that adheres to glass for maximum strength. It provides additional safety and security when properly applied. Created by Rishan Enterprises Incorporated, with 20 years of experience in safety and security. Protect your home with confidence. Get the Burglabar sliding door locks for added security and peace of mind. Enjoy a safer home for your family. What we like. It installs easily without any tools and can be adjusted to fit various door sizes. It's also childproof, adding an extra layer of safety for your little ones. If you're looking for a simple, versatile solution to secure sliding doors and windows, this is a great option. What people say. They are nice because they are almost invisible, not like the track bar, and so easy to install. Easy to apply, very sturdy, stick to the glass and work perfectly. Easy to install and is so much better than the cheap junk latches they install on RV closet sliding doors. Very sturdy and very easy to use. Number 4. Regular 4-device window security bar. This security bar creates a strong barrier against intruders, protecting your windows and sliding doors. It's designed to withstand forced entry, giving you peace of mind. Easily adjusted to fit various window and door sizes with 13 adjustable settings. It's perfect for single-hung, sliding windows, and patio doors. No tools are needed. It installs quickly using adhesive strips and can be easily removed in emergencies. It's a discreet alternative to bulky wooden blocks. The double-headed push pin adds extra resistance against forced entry. It also helps prevent accidental falls by children, keeping windows securely blocked at a safe height. Before ordering, measure your window or door track. This model extends from 17 inches to 2.5 feet. Ensure the track is slightly wider than 1 inch for a proper fit. It effectively blocks windows from opening further, providing added security even with a small gap when fully closed. It's a reliable backup security solution. What we like. This option is highly durable and can withstand repeated force. It's also easily adjustable to fit various window sizes and installs quickly without tools. If you need a strong, adaptable security solution that's easy to use, this is the one for you. What people say. Clear directions, easy to use, perfect fit, and an added bonus of additional security. These are everything I could have asked for and more. I was worried about a few of the reviews saying the sticky tape wore down and it rendered them useless, but what I think they did was only use one of the tapes given. You need to use all of the tape, 3 for each item. They will not move at all once you do that. Product came quickly and with everything I needed to install. Lets my cats look out of the window without disturbing the birds. Number 3. Ideal Security Sliding Window Bar. This innovative security bar significantly enhances your home's safety. It's a strong visual deterrent against intruders, providing you with peace of mind. It features a childproof lock, preventing accidental opening by little ones. Installation is a breeze, no drilling is required for temporary use. This adaptable bar extends to fit various window sizes, from 10.6 to 16.625 inches. It works on vertical or horizontal windows. Enjoy fresh air without compromising security. It allows for partial window opening while remaining securely locked. Whether you rent or own, it offers flexible installation options. Mount it permanently or temporarily, depending on your needs. Position it out of children's reach for added safety. It's also ideal for securing windows with air conditioners or pet doors. What we like. This bar is extendable to fit different window sizes and can be installed permanently or temporarily, making it perfect for renters and homeowners. It also provides a secure lock, ideal for air conditioners or pet doors. If you need a flexible and secure solution for various window types, this is a great choice. What people say. Great simple product that adds extra security for basement windows. Great quality and suits its purpose. Very sturdy and directions were easy to use and read. Gave 2 options on ways to put into the window. Needed a security bar for a basement window, works great for my needs, keeps the window ajar a little so the cat can't open it and makes me feel safer, that window is more secure from outside. Number 2. Roe Moe Window Guards. These window guards are designed to provide extra security for your home. They're easy to install and use, giving you peace of mind. It extends from 17 to 27 inches, so it fits most standard windows. Simply adjust it to the size you need. Made from sturdy 7/8 steel tubing with 1.5-inch diameter rubber ends, they lock securely in place. They're built to last and provide reliable protection. Installation is a breeze. Just follow the included instructions for a quick and secure setup. With these guards installed, you can rest easy knowing your windows are protected. Enjoy the security and peace of mind that comes with knowing your home is safe. This pack contains 4 window guards, providing comprehensive protection for your home. You'll receive everything you need to secure multiple windows. What we like. Made of steel, it's incredibly durable and provides robust security. It's also easy to install and adjust to fit your windows. If you prioritize strength and security above all else, this is the best option for you. What people say. Similar to a tension rod, it is made out of plastic, but very secure. I like that the end has a micro turn for fine-tuning the length to secure my window that has an AC in it. Tried to lift the window with this installed and it wouldn't budge. The pair arrived in a single package. I went straight for the instructions. Happily, I understood them easily. I read them next to the windows I plan to use them in. I followed the instructions. Each post fit quite easily and perfectly. Very strong and sturdy. I use horizontally in the slider tracks, and the others in the vertical to prevent windows being slid up to open. Number 1. Segal S4767 Window Grill. Introducing the Segal S4767, your new ally in home security. It's designed to provide peace of mind, keeping your loved ones safe. Made from robust 0.048-inch thick carbon steel, it's built to last. This ensures reliable protection for years to come. Prevent accidental falls with its secure design. The 3 to 7/8-inch bar spacing provides a safe barrier for children. Installation is simple with its adjustable width and tamper-proof screws. It easily adapts to your window size. This fixed guard is designed for security, not emergency exits. For windows requiring emergency access, please consider a hinged version. It meets NYC and NJ housing codes, approved by the NYC Department of Health and Mental Hygiene. You can trust it meets the highest safety standards. Please review the dimensions carefully before ordering to ensure it's the perfect fit for your windows. Refer to the included line art drawing for details. What we like. Constructed from strong carbon steel, it offers a fixed, robust security solution. It also meets various building codes for added peace of mind. If you need a permanent, code-compliant security solution, this is the one to choose. What people say. Used on garage windows. Very cost-effective deterrent to keep an honest thief out. I recommend this product. I am a contractor. I used 8 of these guards for me client, which they were 54-inch wide. It fit perfectly. Screwing to window frame was breeze, less than a minute. Sturdy, well made. Did not use screws that came with it. I used bigger concrete bolts for added strength. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.